Lately, I've been noticing a big trend where creators use anime nature reels that are going viral on Instagram. Anime is one of the most watched genres worldwide and often has a calming and philosophical touch. This works insanely well, but using copyrighted anime is risky. That's why I will show you everything. How this Instagram account has gained a few 100,000 followers and millions of views in a matter of months. What makes this niche so efficient is that you can produce a similar video in just minutes, without the hassle of writing scripts or recording voiceovers. All it takes are 3 key elements: a list of prompts, text-to-image AI, and image-to-video AI. This said, make sure you watch this entire video. Each step is crucial for everything to come together effectively, and skipping anything could mean missing a key detail. Let's check out one of their videos to get a feel for the style. We'll use it as a blueprint to craft our reel. Great, now we have our starting point. So earlier I mentioned 3 elements for this to work. Let's jump into the first step. For images to be generated, we will need some good text-based prompts. Now I will show you how to get them. There are 2 options to get these prompts. For the lazy ones, the prompts will be in the description, but there is another creative way to make prompts more unique and to your specific liking. Go to the Instagram account we showed in the beginning and screenshot one of the videos you liked. Then go to Clip Interrogator 2.1 and upload the screenshot you made. I will leave the link to this site in the description below. Then set the mode to best, if it's not already, and mode max flavors to max. Click on Submit. As you can see, we got a decent prompt which we will use as a source to produce more unique variations. The next tool we're going to use is ChatGPT. When you search for ChatGPT, you are going to get to this page. You can just quickly sign in with a Google account and you're all set to generate prompts. Just simply copy and paste the prompt we got from Clip Interrogator 2.1 earlier. Below the text, also add these instructions. As we can see, we got a few good unique variations of the prompt, which can all be used in the next step. Let's start with the second element. We need eye-catching images, and the best platform for us to create this art is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing AI tool for image generation. I will leave a link to this tool in the description for you, so you won't need to look for it. Once you search the platform, simply sign up with your Google account. Don't be alarmed. Leonardo AI offers a free plan where you get 150 free credits a day, more than enough for creating the images needed for the video. You can always buy more credits if you want to scale more uploads. So now that you have created an account, from the home page, click on Image Creation. You will get to this page. This box for prompts is the most important part of the image creation. Don't worry, examples of prompts will be in the description of this video. Use this prompts and simply copy and paste them into the box one by one. You can use the prompts in the description, or you can generate your unique variations with ChatGPT as I showed you earlier. Make sure you select the correct image dimension. The correct one for our case is the 916 mobile version. Then go to Preset and select the Anime preset. This step is extremely important because these presets determine the AI image style. Click on Generate and you will get the results in a few seconds. As you can see, the images we generated are as expected to the outcome we were looking for. This concludes the second element. Let's move to the third one. We need to transform these images into animated videos. This can all be done within the Leonardo AI platform. Select the picture you like and click on the tiny button called Generate Motion Video and click Generate. It will take a bit more time for the image to convert to animation. Since it takes a bit of time to generate, you can just start generating all other images you need. Here's the end result of the animation video. This looks good. Now we can download the videos by clicking on this small icon. Sometimes the animation won't be as good as expected. If this is the case for you, you can always use another tool, and we are going to show you which one. It's called Immersity AI, which will transform your image to an AI video. As this video was created to be as affordable as possible, and that's why we chose this tool, which also offers a free plan. Again, if you want to scale the uploads, you probably will need to get more credits. When you first sign in, you will get to this interface. We will upload the generated AI image into this box, or you can click the upload button. Now, as you can see, it's all automatically being animated. You also have settings on the right hand of this page to customize your animation and choose whatever option you like the most. If you click Custom, you will see more in-depth settings you can play around with to make it even more appealing. When you are done with the customizing, you can simply click the Export button, select the MP4 option, and click on Next. And again, click the Next button. Finally, click on Export and wait for the magic to happen. When you play the video, you'll notice it's only 10 seconds long. That's not enough. The solution for this is for us to use any editing software to make a longer video with this 10-second clip that we have. We will use CapCut in this example since it's free to use. A thing worth mentioning is that CapCut isn't available in all countries. A VPN should do the trick to get you connected. CapCut is available on all devices. First, you have to download the app, and the second step is to connect via a Google account. Once you have done that, you will see this simple interface. We decided to use CapCut because it's the simplest to use in comparison to other editing softwares. First, we'll need to import the video clip into CapCut. You can simply click on the import button or just drag the video in this area. This area below will be your workspace, and we need to drag the imported video clip into this area. As you can see, the video is 10 seconds long, so we will need to duplicate it once or twice, depending on the video length you are looking for. Then just simply add a transition to make it look like a smooth one-clip video. You can also speed up the video for it to look even more appealing. This is a lot better. Now let's add some background music, or better yet, use the trending sound on Instagram to have a better chance of the video going viral. Now let's look at how we can monetize these videos on Instagram. If we go back to the account we showed at the beginning, we can analyze their sources of income. There are 3 ways this account is making money with these videos. The first one is freelance services, where they are selling the images to their audience, as we can see in the bio. The second way they make money is by selling high-quality wallpapers. People buy these because even though you can make similar images with AI for free, not everyone knows how to do it well. They've sold over 1,800 wallpapers for $3 each, even though the AI creates them quickly. The third and final way is by selling online courses. They sell an online course for $100. This course shows how to make good AI images. But we are showing you this for free. If you start a similar account and sell 10 courses a month, you could earn $1,000. Sell 100 courses, and you could make $10,000. With their massive audience size, this could be possible. I hope this helps you understand how to make money with an Instagram account without showing your face. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.